wanted to mention, which I forgot in the last video, that with the last square that we finished, I did use the 131F for the support, and for the faceted beads I used the 06, which is the crystal color, for the support on the last piece. I will also be using those colors for this piece, as most of it, as you can see, is white, so it'll work perfectly. So I plan to use the 131F for the seed bead and the 06 for the faceted bead. If you have any questions whatsoever or need help, please post. I've pretty much done all the tips I can think of for these projects, so anything you'd like to know, please post and I will be glad to add some tips for you to help you along in the project. Hope you're enjoying.